Hi everyone, first of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Triadila Safitri. In this occasion, I would like to tell you about how is universal grammar built. From Noam Chomsky, aka the radical linguist. He was born in Philadelphia on December 7, 1928. He was inspired by his father's work as a Hebrew scholar. Noam Chomsky studied his work and began teaching linguistics in 1995. His teachings led him to formulate groundbreaking theories related to children's language development. Noam Chomsky said language is a process of recreation. Its laws and principles are fixed, but the manner in which the principles of generation are used is free and infinitely varied. Even the interpretation and use of words involves a process of recreation. Universal grammar theory. Chomsky believes that children will never require the knowledge to process an infinite number of sentences if the language acquisition mechanism was dependent on language input alone. The theory of universal grammar was proposed suggesting that all children are born with ability to acquire, develop, and understand grammar regardless of where or how they are arise, such as noun or verb category. Universal grammar. Universal grammar holds the grammatical information needed in order to combine categories of language such as verb and nouns into phrases. Children have the natural ability to combine nouns and verbs into a correct and meaningful order. Critical period of learning. The critical period in which children learn language the most effectively takes place between birth until puberty. Chomsky believes that children pass through a linguistic alertness stage, where the ability to understand language has the capability to influence them during later periods of their lives, such as the ability to multilingual. Language acquisition in children. Language acquisition is the process that requires children to understand implicit rules that help spread the knowledge of language. Chomsky believes that language is used to express ideas, messages, and emotion. Therefore, it is subject to constant modification and revision by others. Children make up and use their own language until they become familiar with the proper way to use words and sentences. Challenges to Chomsky's theory. First, Chomsky's views are different than those of the other, such as behaviorist B. F. Skinner, who believed that language is the result of conditioning, and those of psychologist Jan Piaget, who thought that language acquisition is related to a child's cognitive development. Second, psycholinguistics argued that categories such as nouns and verbs are biologically, evolutionarily, and psychologically implausible. Third, opposing constructivist investigators argue to have a more gradual developmental process. Morphology acquisition, in which morphemes are the smallest grammatical markers in language and can effectively alter words. Last, constructivists also believe that children are sensitive to patterns in language. How can we benefit from learning about Noam Chomsky's universal grammar theory? First, we learn and understand how language is developed from a young age. Second, we aware of how children form grammar while in school. And the last, teachers can implement the study of language in students by creating lesson plans to help encourage the development of language according to Noam Chomsky's theory. In conclusion, universal grammar states that ability learn grammar is built to the human brain from birth, regardless of language. This is because it suggests that all languages are based on the same principles and are therefore interconnected. So, every child is born with the tools to learn any language effectively. I think that's all about the universal grammar theory. Thank you.